understand what you're saying. The person that posted the fundraising advert, right?
Yes.
On the platform on the platform that belong to USB. After the announcement, that seriously made that no, there's no fundraising should hold after 1 week, right?
Yes. Yes.
And the person is no longer now with USB.
No, the person is no longer with USB.
So why is it difficult? Why is it difficult for you to mention the name then?
They say, why is it difficult for me to mention the name?
Because you are kind of somehow being reserved.
I know why. I know.
Okay,
I know the reason why.
continue. Don't worry.
Yeah. So then, when the Audimi came and she cleared the air and she deleted it, yeah. Then that is how the game started in our own side here. And then that is why I tell you that God used Adada Ramma to call many people back and use her to save the United States of Biafra in many places. Because that very broadcast he made there was very, very, it was God's will. I'm telling you, God can use somebody without him or she knowing. So
it's true.
But because she is not a good person and she have interior motive for doing it, that is why she cannot stay in that state of Biafra. You know, because when somebody is calling, why people listening to Adada Ramma was she was calling out using Igbo language and saying that she is Adada Ramma and she is Ada and the Brandegede. So everybody believed that she knew the meaning of Ndembo Brandegede. But I can tell you 100% Adada Ramma don't know the meaning of Ndembo Brandegede. If she knew the meaning of Ndembo Brandegede, it will not come out from her mouth because she's too far from knowing what Ndembo Brandegede stands and what she is doing. She's too far from that. That is the fact. So, they can never vomit, and she said she cannot vomit and leak, but she leak more than the dog. That's the fact. She's taking more than the dog.'s more than a pig. So that's the truth. So why I'm saying what I'm saying, because you played many of the all the whole from that 29th of November the Biafra was declared to this date. You touched so many important areas that this kind of program you're supposed to do it, and you spend much time to do it, and anyone you play this thing, you pause and put the link, and people will come and make comments. But you played a lot, so people will not even know where to start to make comment on this.
I know that if I do it that way, it will be 2 days or 3 days program.
Yeah.
But I will share most of these videos, most of this clip on my S. I will put them on my S. Anybody that want to, you can go there and pick it. If you don't have it,
that is the fact. So what am I trying to say? What I am trying to say is these people, Dr. remains herself. I don't believe on that 9th November 2024 that for her taking that stand on that particular day, she don't even know what she was doing. I believe she don't know. She don't know what she was doing. So God used a lot of people. Both the cabinet that supported and stand for her in this time, that critical time. And this is the pure hand of God. Because I cannot tell me that somebody who is looking for Biafra can follow Gurikeri. Even this last confession that come out from their camp, that somebody can still go and stand with these people. Then my brother, that person never come to look. That person never prepare. He wasn't in any way standing for Biafra in the first place. Because you can't tell me that PM was here. He changed a lot of documents without him knowing. And that documents and everything you fled or continued following that particular line. You see, and you're telling me you're looking for freedom. Is like, even if no matter what you tell me, I can never believe it. He is 100% agent of the Zoo people. There's nothing somebody would tell me I will believe. So, for somebody like another Rama to say, even if PM come out to tell him to work with the organ that he will pack his herself somewhere. At the end of the day, she went back and danced on that peak. So she can never come back. Let me just this one anything again. I thought let me touch red movies because you are listening to Progress the Analyst.
Okay.
That very thing somebody was telling you is pure. That was the latest analyst and analyzed this afternoon. So he is now telling them that he doesn't belong to anybody, he doesn't want to be with anybody, that people are talking goes on this, he doesn't want anybody, he is now waiting for the PM to come back. That was his voice, that was his program, the latest program the Remedies did. Because these are the people who tell you you are spiritually this, you are spiritually that. At the same time, you are more blind than more than carnal in life. You see? So they set themselves up. I'm not talking about the Van. Everybody know that the person that knew him very well is our brother 247. He said just throw any amount of doll on the floor. He will dance your tune. And that's what I believe. So his own is not important. It's just like it's not important discussing Biafra Unite and the Van. For me, it's not important to discuss anything concerning those people. They are, for me, as a person, they are, if you remember when they were when I come here, I told you that you analyze things more than Biafra Unite. For me, it's nobody, doesn't want to talk about because he doesn't analyze anything. He only carry program people news and he play it on his platform. That is not a good this thing. That time that they were doing this thing, if there is anything PM post, he will just come and analyze what PM post because of the water. That is the only thing he was doing. But he was not doing anything. So any person who is telling me, I never follow him for one day. For one day, I never follow him. I can never come to YouTube or whatever. I say I will go and watch Biafra Unite. Even that before he all those things. Because for me, he's not doing anything. There is nothing that come out that he is doing that is special. So I thank you for this program. I wish you will repeat this program and people will go through it very well. It will make a lot of impact. Thank you. Let me give other people a chance to speak. God bless you.
Thank you so much. God bless
Please,
you.
can I add a rebuttal to this? Sorry, Mr. Kai, you know I don't like to.
No, you have the mic already. Right on.
All right, thank you. So there's something I want to say on what our brother Greg said. I just want to go psychology, and so that nobody will just. I'm not a pastor. See, being careless in your spirit is very dangerous, and when pride and anger is added, it can destroy. There is an analogy I want to use. There is a story in the Bible where Samson used the jawbone of an ass. To me, that ass, that's, if you can call it a horse, could have been something he would use to escape from the Philistines. Because when they came after him, he looked around, he saw the ass, but the ass was dead. But he needed to do what he did. He just put his hand, because he's a strong man, he pulled the jawbone of the ass and began to finish the Philistines. Something remarkable happened. Because the ass was already dead, when he finished using the jawbone of the ass to buy the Philistines and to eliminate them, he looked at the jawbone of the ass and he threw it away. That's why whatever you are doing, make sure that your spirit is right. Make sure that anger and pride does not take over
Take over.
anything. Because when it does, when you fall as a fallen angel. And You can become anything. And that is what has happened to a lot of them, both the ones that call themselves here and the ones that rescued Dr. Ngozi Oyabueze. But out of anger and pride, they let everything that could have moved them to the next level, they let it fall. And I'm not their judge. Whatever they have done to themselves, recovery is still in their hands. I rest it there.
Before you go, if you are, let me just ask you this question. If you are in position of COS and now that Remedios decided to rethink, if he make it, let's say he apologized to USB, would you accept him back?
For, the big question we should ask.
Never. Never.
Don't use the word never. You see, what I tell them to do is to, when they recover, when they recover, they don't need to be anywhere to be relevant. Be relevant in your house. You see me as I sit down here. I, if I have money, I contribute. If I have talk, I talk. I don't. Must you be anywhere? Be relevant in yourself. Get your spirit right. Once your spirit is right, everything else, it does not matter where you are. It does not matter if you are, I don't even know what else they want that woman to do after all they have done. I don't know what they want her to do. And forgiveness is not really, or accepting them back is not the issue now. And she shouldn't even make that mistake because you don't know where they are coming from. You don't even know you don't even know from what side of the bed they woke up with, the left or the right. You don't know if this is camouflage. So the best thing for them to do is to get their spirit right first and stay there and stop and don't make any other news. They shouldn't even come to say they should be forgiven. It's not necessary because the damage they have done so far is going to last a long time. So asking people to forgive is just like, making them feel guilty. What power do they even have to forgive them? What power does Dr. Ngozi Orabueze have now? And there is this thing I hate people do, this emotional blackmail. You know what you have done? You come to me to forgive you. To be honest, I don't even know what you have done. I forgave you 2,000 years ago. But for me to now because I saw the poison, I saw that poison nearly killed me, and you brought another glass of water for me to drink. And you said, because you said you have forgiven, I should. It's hard. I have no place in my heart to keep guilt. It doesn't happen. Power and I forgive everybody before you even commit the atrocity, like all of them that are doing all this evil. To be honest, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, I have listened to her since she made the first speech that changed and saved the day. The 70 day was not the day she redeclared Biafra. It was the day she made that speech.
Before the election, all right?
Yes, when Prime Minister Simon Ekpa was abducted, and it
You
was
are
just
you are spot on. The same thing with me. That was that when I said that she became to me. Oh, I don't know about her. I'm speaking for myself. That was when I rate her as the leader automatically. And that's when when the day I said that she's a leader she's a deputy by default. Some people think that what I'm saying, I'm just talking to myself. You need to follow the procedure and all that. Even apart from being COS for that singular act, that because I don't know how some people felt when they got the news that PM has been detained or something like that. The same thing like the days of National American when I was on a live broadcast with some group of people like that. We were just talking about random conversation, not about Biafra. I was there as a guest, one of the person that they kind of contributing. Then one of the hosts on that program said that that Biafran. So are you some of you that are here that is support of Biafra? Are you aware that Masan Kano has been captured in Kenya? I said what? Immediately I just log out without even taking permission. I wasn't myself to be honest. Before I realized that I don't even know how the program ended. I don't even go back. The shock. I mean, I don't know about other people. So somebody in that moment that you are very surprised, and somebody called you and calmed you down, and like PM did after some days, because PM is very respectful to the COS. I remember then some of us on the comment section, we were like, why is it that PM? Can you tell us why the DOS are not saying anything? Why are they some people were calling them names, these criminals, PM will be, that time he would tell you, no, 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 don't insult them on my platform. Don't, if you called, don't insult DOS on my, even, what's the name of this guy? Ejiofor. There was a time that you don't talk bad about them on his PM's platform. He was very, very nice to them, and just to see if they can adjust on their attitude and forge ahead. PM was not desperate to lead anybody, but they are the one that their agenda was to shut him down, kick him out, and all that. So I understand what you mean by that. Serious, that broadcast, that's his first delivery. It saved a lot of things. So to be honest with you, thank you.
Yes, that did it for me. Yes. And please, I beg every Biafran, everybody should let that woman be. When anybody feels that they have realized, I believe that with this education, a lot of people, especially the facts that I will still thank God the day I opened this their zoo, people call it Nigeria, this thing. And one doctor on the news was explaining how Buhari employed people and planted them inside the struggle. And they are doing all kinds of havoc. And I know that that is
Igbo
going to
people,
make a lot of people. Sorry, yes, Biafrans
Ikebe.
employed. Some of them that are there are employed and paid to do what they are doing.
Now wow.
That was really a big aha moment for me.
Now wow.
So you don't even know which of them, the ones that did what they did to Mazin Nandikan. And that day, my man went back to um, one of the videos I watched or listened, where these three, it was a Reverend Father, he was almost close to tears. You hear a man's voice was shaking, how he was begging the second in command of Mazin Namdekano not to do what he wanted to do. The man